welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc, and I'm back on the track, y'all. Locks popping, okay? It's been I think it's been 3 years. I don't know. It's been a long time. I'll have to insert the date, the actual date, because yeah, okay, you know, your girl's locks is getting there, okay? But I'm just showing y'all how I'm gonna install today's wig, okay? Y'all know the drill. I do this in all my videos. Just tuck the locks in, babe. Just tuck them, okay? So today's hair is provided by Dyhair777. This is, I think, my first time working with this company, and I have seen it on YouTube a lot of times. So this is everything that you get in the package. You get a elastic band and then a HD wig cap. And y'all, the hairline comes pre-plucked, okay? Look at that hairline. Gorgeous already by itself. Now this is Malaysian wave, y'all, and it's 20 inches and it's a 13x4 frontal, okay? So this is gonna be melted, and y'all already know the drill. Every wig, my first step is to cut the ear tabs to match my hairline. Sometimes, like, well, all the time. I don't know if this is for everybody, but I just cut the like where your ear is so that you can pull it right there, you know, because then it looks like it's growing out of your scalp if it's coming like in front of your ear, if that makes sense. So excuse me, y'all, my throat is like really sore, but I'm gonna keep it moving for y'all because that's just how we do, okay? So I'm getting ready to install this lace, y'all. It was an easy melt, but the wig cap is really small. This is not for us big head babes. And when I melted this wig, it gave your girl a facelift, okay? So that's a good and a bad thing, I think, because it's like you will look a little bit different with a snatched face. But, you know, if you're into that look, then girl, that's you, okay? But yeah, this snatched me, as you can tell by the intro video. This lace snatched you, girl. So I am using a lace spray. I'm not gonna say which one it is, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm putting that lace right in that spray right there, making sure I did like 3 to 4 layers and maybe even more on the sides, because the sides is the first ones to lift, my bad. The first ones to lift, and y'all know the drill. Like, nobody is trying to do all that, and it's hot out, so it might really start lifting, so you gotta pay like special attention to it, okay? So I'm just combing the product through the lace. This will further help make sure that it's secured, okay? Because Lord, you can't have no mishaps. But I went in with the elastic band and I waited maybe like 5 to 10 minutes with that on, and this is the end result. Super melted, and it's like stuck. It's up and it's stuck, honey. Like, y'all see that? I'm cutting my lace with my eyebrow razor. You just place it where you want it to cut, and then you like pull up on the lace. Pull up on it, okay? Like, easiest hack known to man. Boom. It's done. Straight like that. Now, to get rid of that ashy white line, I go back in more with the lace spray and just put some on my finger and kind of further erase the line. When the line gets wet, it disappears. So you can use whatever, you know, to put on there. I just used more of the lace spray because, like I said, this Texas heat, honey, like, ain't nobody trying to be out there sweating their wig off. Okay, so now, y'all, I'm using this hot comb. Y'all know the pink hot comb has been on my channel for like a long periodically time. And like, it's bomb. Like, it's from Amazon, of course, so check my Amazon storefront. But this gets the job done. So the hairline does come pre-plucked, but I kind of wanted more of a natural, even more plucked look. So I did just do a tiny bit more tweezing, but this is my personal preference. It honestly doesn't need it, but you know, if you want a certain look, then you gotta customize it. So that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, I didn't do too much, just, you know, being my extra self. Now I'm mapping out the baby hairs. I kind of like just pull out like random, like don't make a straight line, like kind of follow the hairline and make it jagged. So like, these are supposed to be like, I feel like if baby hairs are too uniform, it looks like bad or something. So like, just randomize it, you know, like and don't poke yourself in the eye like I just did. So back to the eyebrow razor. I can't talk today, y'all. Wow. back to the eyebrow razor, you know, it has multiple uses, so I'll just cut that off. And then I go with my little mini edge flat iron that I love, also from Amazon and also on my storefront. Okay. But yeah, I find this is the easiest way to get the baby hairs curled is by curling them with, you know, curling them up, or you can curl them down as well. But I find when I curl them down, it doesn't give as fluffy as a look. You know, I like the fluffy baby hair look. It just looks better. Now, I did edit out the part where I did the baby hairs because I had them like this at first. And I was like, girl, that is just too much baby hair. Like, too much. They're too big, too much. So I wound up like not doing them. I only did like a few, so I edited that out. But I want to talk about the hair, y'all. The hair on this wig is bomb. Oh my gosh. Like I said, it's Malaysian. I have never had Malaysian hair before, but it's a very soft curl, like a wave, and it's soft. Like, I can't stress how soft it is. Now, there is some shedding, but you know, that's typical, you know, but it's not bad or anything. And it's like after I like, you know, tweezed and everything and got that out, and it was like good to go. So now I'm getting ready to go ahead and style it. I like knew instantly that I was going to do the half up, half down style with this, because the curl pattern is just giving like really pineapple wave or something. Like it's just really such a pretty curl pattern, and it's soft. Like this, you can tell this one's going to last. Okay. So I did comb out that front section because I needed to get it, you know, as sleek as possible. And I'm using my unbrushed brush, y'all. I know the TikTok one, the unbrushed. Link in bio. I'll be plugging, girl, cause what? But yeah, check it out. I really love that brush. But as y'all can see, like this style was popping already before I even did like that extra stuff. But I'm like, girl, I gotta showcase that curl pattern. Okay, so I did go in, put the ponytail in straight like that, and then I kind of like played with the front part and got it to look like how it looked. Like it was. Like I put it like all over the place for more of a messy look. And then I pulled out like two little pieces in the front and kind of made them those little things, you know, without having to part it. So I liked how messy it looked and everything. I did go in later. I don't think I showed this on camera, but I did go in and put a rubber band over top. So it kind of was like a messy bun, if you will, with those two little things in the front. So I just faked it till I make it on this one. Like it doesn't have to be perfect and all that. Like I like, you know, messy styles sometimes too. And this one gave messy girl. I've been a messy girl. Yes, honey. Like y'all see the vision. So that's pretty much it and what I did on this wig. Now here is me with my makeup on, feeling myself, honey. Like you cannot tell me anything with this makeup and this hair. Like I said, this wig snatched me. It snatched me. So my makeup was like serving, girl. Like somebody say something. So I'm gonna stop talking about my makeup because that's not what we're here for. We're here for the wig, girl. But the wig is bomb. Oh my goodness. Like honestly, this is day 2 of me wearing the hair because I installed it and then I went to sleep. I went to sleep and, you know, but so this is day 2 of the hair, and then, as you can see, it kind of, you know, conforms to like a wavy pattern. Like this hair is bomb. Like I didn't put any product in this, just like water initially, and then like that's it. And like I said, this is day 2 of the wig, so it only gets better. If you like this kind of style, just like let it do what it does. But if you want it more fluffy look, definitely finger comb this out, and you can do that without like tangling it, because like I said, it's super soft. And this is 20 inches, y'all. I want to try a longer length because this curl pattern is giving. The lace is giving on this. The lace is pre-plucked. It looked pretty much bleached. Like the knots on the front of the wig were like really small. So this whole look ate, and this wig is bomb, and I want to try more from them. Like I've always seen them on YouTube, and You know, I always wanted to try them, and y'all know I've been on this channel for like 10 plus years. So finally I'm getting that chance to try it, and I am not disappointed at all. Okay, so this one is bomb. Of course, all the links and everything will be listed down in the description box, girly. Let me know what you guys think, okay? And as always, thank you so much for watching. Your support does not go unnoticed. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.